Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Mom Education channel. Dear students, today we are going to learn basic cost accounting, in which the topic is process costing and its other name is cost of production report. Dear students, let's we move to its sixth problem. With normal loss in first department. Students, let's move. The problem which is in front of you on your screen. Students, let's start to read this problem carefully and try to solve this problem carefully. Problem number 7.6. Cost CPR mean cost of production report, normal loss during process in first department. Mehran Manufacturing Company uses process costing. Cost of direct material, direct labor and factory overhead is incurred by department A during the May 2015 was rupees 75,000 rupees 50,000 and rupees 40,000 respectively. The quantity schedule shows that 26,000 units were started in process, 23 units were transferred to next department, 2,000 units still in process. The degree of completion is 80% material, 50% labor and 30% factory overhead. The remaining units were lost in process. Students, this is the normal loss, and in first department there is no any treatment is applied for this. Its adjustment is automatically adjusted in given cost. Now students, let's move to other slide. To find this problem. This is the main slide about this problem. On this, the all problem will be solved. Friends, the main heading is Mehran Manufacturing Company, department department A, not a number, A, department A. Cost of production report for the month of May 2015. Students, let's to go in first section like as quantity schedule, in which we have to put the units which are started in process here, which are 26,000 units. Students, these are the units which are started in process. Now in which there are 23,000 units are completed and transferred to the next department as a B. The unit student process number is 2000 units. The degree completion is 80% as a material, 50% as a labor, and 30% as a factory overhead. Now the unit loss process. This is the normal loss, which are 1000 units. Students, you are looking that the both units in starting processing and the sum of these units are equalized here. They always equalize. They always should be equalized. Then we move second section as a cost transfer department, in which there are three costs: direct material cost, direct labor cost, and direct factory overhead cost, which is given in the problem. Let's put these values here. The material cost is 75,000. The direct labor cost is 50,000 rupees, and the overhead cost is 40,000 rupees. 40,000 rupees. 40,000 rupees. The sum up of these cost is at the rate sum 1,65,000 rupees, the total manufacturing cost in department A. Now we will find the per unit cost as a material, as a labor, as a factory overhead. Then we have to move fourth section, where we will find the per unit cost with the help of the equivalent production here. This is the fourth section as a additional computation, in which we find the equivalent production as a direct material, direct labor, and factory overhead. The computation units which are transferred to the next department is 23,000, and 23,000 in all. Now students, the student process is 2,000 and 2,000. The degree of completion is 80% as a material, 50% as a labor cost, and 30% as a factory overhead. Now we will find the completion units in working process and ending inventory here. $1,600 units are completed in material, same as we have copied in below in both the boxes, like as labor cost and labor units and factory overhead units here. Just around 1,000 units completed as a labor, and the completion of work in factory overhead is 600 units. Now we'll add these units and these units to find out the equivalent production in every section as a material, labor, and overhead here. Then we have to add up here this amount, these units and these units. This is the equivalent production in material, 24,600 as a, we copied here, again here. So these are the equivalent production as factory overhead and the direct labor. Now student, we will find the per unit cost to put the cost of material, labor and factory overhead here, and the number of units commission in here. 24. The material cost is 75,000 rupees. 75,000 rupees is the material cost, same as the labor cost is 90,000 is the material cost. The labor cost is 75,000 rupees and the factory overhead cost is 50,000 rupees here. These are the costs in material, labor and factory overhead. Now we put the equal production here as a material, labor and cost, which is 24,600 as a material, 24,000 is as a labor and 23,600 as a factory overhead. Now we divide the cost with units here. This is the per unit cost as a material, and this is the per unit cost as a labor, and this is the per unit cost as a factory overhead. Students, these are the per unit costs in material, direct labor and factory overhead. Now we put these per unit costs in the second section, the column of per unit cost. Then we will move that section. This is the column of per unit cost here. Then K38 is the material per unit cost, same as, plus K39 is the labor cost per unit, same as K40 is the factory overhead cost. Yes, students, these are the per unit cost against the direct material cost, direct labor cost and factory overhead cost. Now we add all these figures, then we will find the total cost per unit, which is 9 rupees. This is the 8.90 rupees. Students, now we move third section, section. Cost accounted for as follows. Here the community units is, which is transferred to the next department as a B, is 23,000 units. The per unit cost is M18 here. Now students, you are looking the cost of units that those are transferred to the next department is 2,04,000, 2,04,750 rupees. Now there is some mistake here. Check it. This is the mistake here. Sorry. The value is not correct. So here is 75,000 rupees, not a 90,000 rupees. Same as 50,000 rupees here and 40,000 rupees here. Now these are the cost per unit. Sorry. this is the cost is 6.83 per unit cost here. Now our cost, the units transfer to next department is 1,57,022 rupees. Now we will find the operating cost and ending inventory cost here. The units in costs are 2,000 and 2,000. Degree of, mistake. 2,000 here. The degree of completion is 80%, 50% and 30%. 80% as a material, 50% as a labor, and 30% as a factory overhead here. 30% here, 30% here. Now students, we have to put the unit cost here, class K38, and class K39, class K40. Students, you are looking here, the direct material cost in working process inventory is 4,878 rupees, same as labor cost is this and factory cost is this. Now we add the three figure in here. The final value of this figure is 7,978 rupees. Now we add this amount with this amount, then we will find the total cost accounted for 1,65,000. This is the reconciliation figure which has to always tally with the second section, and manufacturing cost here 1,65,000 rupees, and also this figure is also 1,65,000 rupees. It means that our question is 100% correct. Students, you are looking and understanding this question. I think you have learned and understood this problem clearly. If you have any queries or problems from this video, please inform me on my channel, so I will try my best to remove your problem at once. Dear students, if you are clear and understood about this problem, please subscribe my channel and like it. Dear students, other more thing is that for learning about cost of production reports, so you have to see my all videos consecutively so that you can clear your all concepts about this topic. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.